A recent report shows that members of Generation Z, which are the youngest adults, are most likely of all generations to report poor mental health. Dr. Bay of the Cleveland Clinic says what stresses today's young people could be the product of what their parents experienced growing up.
It's a group of people whose parents were experiencing 9/11 when they were young. 6 years of age or younger, and our world really changed, and we became more sensitive to threat, and the news media exploded as more and more people wanted news, and we started engaging in more safety behaviors.
Dr. Bay says because of the inescapable presence of threats in today's society, from what we've seen on TV to the safety drills our children practice in school, we've developed a generation that has been strongly protected. He says hearing about every event in the news can actually make us overestimate our risk, even when it comes to the littlest of things like conflicts with friends or at school. Dr. Bay says when parents fight too many battles for their kids, it doesn't allow their children to develop the coping skills they need to deal with adversity. He adds that just like our bodies develop a biological immunity through exposure to threats, our psychological system can also develop immunity through exposure.
And if we're not allowing young folks to solve problems, develop acting coping strategies, we're robbing them of those opportunities. While we're doing that in a benevolent way and for a good cause, we may be inadvertently handicapping them at the same time.
Dr. Bay says that the report also shows that while Generation Z might report more stress, they are also more likely than older generations to be aware of their mental health and seek out help when necessary. In the Breaking Through Newsroom, Theodore Whitelow, Breaking Through News.